Recently, because of spring, we can find these in the local grocery shop. This is fresh ginseng. It is all natural and it has high quality. It's a product from Canada. You can keep this refrigerated to use for a few times. If you're gonna keep it for a long time, keep it in the frozen and you can take out and use it. This is a ginseng root. It takes a long time to plant and harvest this root, sometimes 6 years or more than. So inside, usually there's a few inside, but because today there is a huge one, there's only one and then I used 2 other ones. So I just want to have you show you and see. This is how it looks like. For a big one like this, cut into small pieces, slice it up. You can use just even one root and you can make some good soup. Today we're gonna use this ginseng root to make ginseng root Cornish chicken soup for you and your family. Let's dive in. Today I found this fresh ginseng root from the Asian grocers and would like to create one of the most nourishing and revitalizing soup, ginseng root and Cornish chicken soup. In this recipe, I will show you how to brew this in the Instant Pot and it takes only 25 to 30 minutes. In the past, this was brewed for many hours on charcoal fire by mothers. In the slow cooker, it takes 3 to 4 hours to brew to extract all of its goodness. You can also brew this on the stovetop. In this video, I want to create this drop and go recipe in the Instant Pot, making this now a hassle-free, nutritious concoction for regular consumption. My name is Sue and one of my aim is to transform traditional recipes to preserve our culinary heritage by simplifying recipes and utilizing modern tools. Here, my main hero is the magical Instant Pot. I cook this soup for my family whenever I can get this ingredient. Let's get started. If you like my videos, please support my channel with a like and hit the subscribe button. First, let me show you how fresh ginseng roots looks, and this is a special packaging that keeps it fresh. In one packet, there will be about 5 to 6 roots. It is priced at about $16 to $18 and bought from range 99. For this recipe, I'm using 2 roots for more potent concoction. Then this is Cornish chicken. Why we use a Cornish chicken is because it has very little fats. It's small and it's good enough for 3 to 4 people. Put the whole thing in, dump. This soup can restore energies after lots of work and study stress. First, rinse the chicken under cold tap water. Pour 800 milliliters to 1000 milliliters of water into the Instant Pot. I'm adding 2 ginseng roots for this soup that will be for 4 people. If you like to reduce the ginseng root, you can use 1. I am using the entire root without slicing it up. Please go ahead with slicing it into smaller pieces if you prefer. Once the water and the ginseng and the chicken root are submerged in the water, just close the lid. Cook under pressure cook function for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm using 25 in this case as the chicken is quite small. For a bigger chicken, you can put 30 minutes or even 35 minutes as well. Just drop and go. How simple is this? After 25 minutes, release the steam first and open the lid. The soup is now ready to be served. You can serve in a clay pot with some warm rice. The soup is very herbal. You can smell the fragrance of the ginseng. The chicken meat is served with some soy sauce. You can cut into 4 portions for serving. The meat is tender and drops off the bone. Also take note, you can eat the ginseng root. My children just chew them up, so don't waste it. Saute some vegetables and serve the chicken with rice. This entire meal is below $20 and can serve a family of 4 people. If you are making more, you can make this recipe with 2 Cornish chicken. Love yourself and brew this for yourself soon. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Subscribe for more delicious recipe so you can create nutritious, delicious meals for yourself and your lovely family. Just to explain that fresh ginseng root, also known as wild ginseng or Panax ginseng, is the unprocessed form of the ginseng plant. It is typically harvested from the ground after several years of growth, usually taking around 6 years for the root to reach maturity. The root has a distinct appearance with a light tan color and a twisted gall shape. This herbal concoction is the ultimate for restoring energies, maintaining balance in the body, and in the past, mothers will brew this for their children when they're having important exams coming up to boost energies. Ginseng root contains active compounds which are believed to contribute to its medicinal properties. These ginsenosides are known to have adaptogenic effects, meaning they can help the body resist stress and restore balance. The unique blend of bioactive compounds found in ginseng root makes it a prized ingredient in traditional medicine and herbal supplements. Now this is now the Cornish and Ginseng Chicken Soup. You can serve it with rice or noodles, and you can smell the flavor of the ginseng. It only takes 20 minutes to cook in an instant pot. You can add 30 minutes if you like, but I think 20 is good because the chicken meat is already falling off. Okay, let's try some. You can really smell the ginseng. Now I didn't add any salt. You can sprinkle some sea salt in it and get a little bit of taste. Yeah? I didn't add any sugar, it's not necessary, but this is really good for health. Drink it once, maybe once every month, and you can find the ginseng, fresh ginseng, or if you can't, let me show you one way where you can use dried ginseng to cook this ginseng Cornish Chicken Soup. Have a good meal, everyone. Hope you enjoy this. It's very good for building the energies, bringing up the chi. My channel aims to help you cook nutritious, delicious, budget-friendly meals. Signing off and see you next week. I will show you how to brew a simple ginseng herbal tea to sip and energize yourself. Much love and see you in another video. Bye!